Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we have the third and the last lecture, how to find out the derivative. Today we are going to discuss how to find the derivative of quadratic function there. Here, this is minus 2x square plus 4x plus 2. It is the quadratic function. And we are going to discuss how to find out the inverse in this situation here. So write down the question here, f of x it is equals to minus 2x square plus 4x plus 2. Let's suppose that this is f of x it is equals to y, and then x is equals to f inverse of y. So here f of x it is equals to minus 2x square plus 4x plus 2. So what is the value of f of x, which we have supposed that it is equals to y. So just we have to put the value of y here. When we have to put the value of y here, the next the next step is subtract the x. In my last two lectures, we have discussed linear function there to find out the inverse. So in linear function, it is very easy to separate the x there. Now in quadratic function, what we have to do here, because we cannot subtract directly here, so here we have to apply the computing square method to separate the x. So just focus here, this is minus 2x plus 4x. So we have to take out the first rule is the coefficient of x square should be equal to 1 when we are going to apply the computing square method. So this is minus 2 common here. So this is x square minus 2x. When we have to take out minus common, we have to change the sign which is given to you in the bracket. So this minus become plus, this plus become minus. Now here we have to apply the computing square method. In computing square method, the coefficient of square term should be equal to 1. So here you see a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here minus, that means we have to use the formula for a minus b to the whole square. So here this is x, a square, a, b. The product of this should be equal to 2x. So what should be the number here? That should be the 1, because the product of this should be equal to 2x. That means here we have 1 square. So when we have to compare this number to this one, this is x square minus 2x, this number is extra. So we have to balance this one, subtract minus 1 here. This method is called computing square method. When the quadratic function is given, we have to apply this method. So this is here, y is equals to, so this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That should be equal to a minus b to the whole square. A means the x and the b means the y. And this is plus 2 remains same. Now we have to multiply this minus 2 with the whole bracket here. So this is minus 2 x minus 1 to the whole square. Minus minus plus 2 ones are 2, and this is plus 2. Now this is minus 2 x minus 1 plus 4. So we have to shift here. So this is 2 times x minus 1 to the whole square, and it is equals to 4 minus y. This minus 2 we have to shift on the left hand side, it becomes plus, and this y we have to shift to the right hand side. So this is x minus 1 to the whole square, it is equals to 4 minus y divided by 2. We have to shift this 2 here. Now this is x minus 1 to the whole square. So we have to take out the square root on both sides. that is x minus 1 to the whole square, it is equals to 4 minus y. So here this will cancel out to this one, and this is x minus 1, 4 minus y over 2 in the radical. So this minus 1, we have to shift that side. Here 4 minus y over 2 plus 1. So here what is x here? X is equals to f inverse of y. It is equals to 4 minus y whole divided by 2 plus 1. Now put the value of y here, that is x. So this is f inverse x. It is equals to 4 minus x divided by 2 plus 1. This is the inverse function of the quadratic function, that is minus 2x square plus 4x plus 2. Today's lecture we have discussed how to find out the inverse of quadratic function. In all quadratic functions we have to use this technique to find out the inverse function there. In my first two videos we have discussed the same topic, but the function was linear. So if you have to learn how to find out the inverse function, you must see these three videos. Thank you so much. If you like this videos, please share it and subscribe my channel. Math with Yasir Irfan. Allah Hafiz.